What's up, fellow diecast collectors? Today I'm going to show you guys the 8-pack review of the Hot Wheels 8-pack. We got some special cars over here, including the vehicle of the year, the Audi R8 Spider. And we have the special Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z from 1986. Porsche. And so I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you guys the review of each of these vehicles. I'm going to show you guys the names, and in our next video I'm going to show you guys another track set, another city track set, showing you guys around these cars. So I'm going to open this up right now. All right. Here's the cars out of the tray. All right. So I'm going to go over each of these vehicles one by one, starting with this one. See, this one doesn't really have a name on this one. Comment down below what this vehicle is, because I don't see a name on this. I think this is, yeah, it has a skull on the front wheels. I don't know, I'm not really sure what this one says. Yeah, comment down below this one. All right, we have the focus. Oh, it's upside down. All right, we have the 1971 Porsche 911, and this one's copyrighted 2017. We have a Mazda pickup. We have the Mazda Repo. And look at the decals on this one. It has the tidal waves. I think this is like a beach rotary power Mazda pickup truck rotary power. All right, we have the 1986 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z edition. I actually do have a older Camaro, the 1980s Camaro, but one's a Z28. This one's the IROC Z. Oh, I do love this vehicle here. This one is in this beautiful tidal wave green kind of color and a green interior. This one is the 1966 Buick Riviera. Beautiful green color. I think everyone will think this one's a really good color too. This pink one and this beautiful vehicle here too. We have the nice purple windshield. There's nice aerodynamics too. You know, I do like the aero on this one. Even the wheels have good aero. This was the Gazella R. Very good aerodynamic for like a accelerator in a exotic car. And the car of the year, we have the 2019 Audi R8 Spider, car of the year. And last but not least, the Subaru BRZ, which I'm trying to figure out which one, which year this one came out. I think this came out in 2024. I'm not mistaken for this modern design. Subaru BRZ Pandem. Yeah, because I do have I do have a similar one, and this one is an individual package. With this one's in the 8-pack, but this one's I have a one in the individual package. So I think this one came out in 2024. I think something like this too came out in 2004 with the whole package. I think some of these cars are pretty much new for 2024, and according to this packaging right here, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, these are the 8 cars I have in the collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next review for another Hot Wheels video. See you guys.